Digital roots is not an integral part of Vedic mathematics. It has been included here for two reasons. A, it is the last chapter of this level, so you can go have some fun. And two, it is a lovely way of verifying all the big numbers that you do. How do you get the digital root of a number? You simply add the individual digits and reduce it to one single digit. For instance, 418. Add the three digits 4 plus 1 plus 8. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13. 13 is 1 and 3, so 1 plus 3 4. So the digital root of 418 is 4. And the next one 813. Reduce it to a single digit. A simple way of doing that is called cast off nines. Wherever I can find totals of nines, I can simply cancel them. 8 plus 1, 9. The remaining number, digital root. Go back and look, 418. I could have cancelled 1 and 8, digital root is 4. If I have a number like 5, 4, 6, 2. 5 and 4 are 9, 6 plus 2, 8 is my digital root. 6, 3, 9, 4. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 by itself. 4 is the digital root. 2, 4, 6, 3. 6 and 3 total to 9. Cast it off. 4 plus 2, 6 is my digital root. Now the application of this is, suppose you've done a sum 23 into 42. You've used vertical and crosswise and multiplied the two and got 966. How do you verify this? Very simple. Digital root of 32 is 5. Digital root of 42 is 6. What have you done? Multiplied. So you multiply 5, 6 are 30. Digital root of 30 is 3. So the digital root of your product has to be 3. Check. 9, 6, 6. 9 out. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Since the digital roots match, the answer is correct. Thank you.